Huh? What am I doing here? Huh? Huh? Oh, haha. Here we are. Here's my new car. 2017 Infiniti Q50 2.0 turbo. I should have gotten the 3.0, but it's out of my budget. But here it is. I'm happy to welcome this to the car YouTube. Are you ready?
I am being kidnapped.
Come on. Get with COVID. Come on.
Full distance. Oh shit, what the fuck? That actually looks really fucking nice.
You like it?
Yeah, what the fuck? I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look fucking bad. Let me just tell you, it looks way better than the Jeep.
You like it?
That looks nice.
And then watch. Look at this, look at this. I have my key in my pocket, right? Look, and all I gotta do, look, you can see my reflection. I'm not touching my pocket, okay?
What the hell?
Right? There's the interior right here. Looks like a spaceship. It's dirty because yesterday stepped on leaves. That's the interior.
What the hell? The interior looks nice.
And you know here. We got the 10. Second day out the lot. No, third day. We gotta get 10 all around, man. You know what's going on. We have to. It's a must. There's a little beat. It's been like an hour or something. It's just almost done. It's just cool. The darkest. That's gonna be dark as fuck too. Final results are here. They're looking nice. Can't even see inside. There's me right there. Legend right there that did my shit. Recommend, highly recommend. I'm right here with my baby. He just picked up a carbon spoiler. Didn't take long. PSM style. Sheesh. Clip you guys saw was, I think it was at night. Yeah, I should be throwing in the one at night. So I did get my windows tinted. Yes, you see some little bubbles, but don't worry. I just give it a few more days and it should be good. Okay. Hi. See how reflective that is? Damn, this is some good paint. I'll give it to it. It's some good paint. But so I had just put it up just to see if it was gonna fit. I wanted to make sure it was gonna fit. I'm gonna clean that off right now. You see why I'm putting the 3M double-sided tape. I'm about to take it out. Just wait on me. Okay, shit. Okay, so kinda cleaned it. Kinda. Okay, it's just a little edge. I am gonna wash the car, but I'm not sure if I should because I heard weather forecast is gonna be rainy on, what was it, Sunday and Monday, maybe Tuesday. I don't know, but I will put my fucking wing on because it's time. All right. Let's see where it's at. Okay, it is right there. You guys can see that carbon. Look at that, dude. So right here looks dull, right? Right? But once you start going in, you start seeing that carbon in the sun. I did not even see this inside the box. So look, it comes with instructions, adhesion promoter, and then it comes with two little tapes of 3M tape for the wing. But I had my own 3M tape. It doesn't matter, whichever works. I don't want this thing to fall, so I souped this shit up with a whole bunch of tape. Oh, I'm not sure if this is how you're supposed to do it, but hey, I did it, okay? I did it. Okay, so this I didn't really need it. I could just save it for other things or whatever. That's gonna be mine. I am gonna clean the surface right here once more, and then I'm gonna start peeling off the tape and also putting the adhesion promoter on the actual trunk, so it can stick while it sticks with this too. I mean this too. All right, and then I'll get back to you. Instructions right there. That's why I'm listening to the instructions. Okay. Hopefully this comes out good. All right, here are the end results. It's stuck on with the double-sided tape. Nothing has discrepancies at all. Everything looks good like it did its job. And here's the result. Looks nice. So, before I do even anything out of the end of this video, right, I do want to show you this. Right, so it is a 2.0 turbo, right, and this is the first time I'm seeing that itty little bitty turbo right there. That shit is small compared to the whole thing. It's right there, right there. Focus right there. So that's the little turbo, and then the hot side is even smaller. It's right back there. That one right there. Compressor side. I'm guessing this is this right here that travels this way is a charge pipe. I'm not really that familiar with turbocharged cars, to be honest with you. That's the down pipe right there, big with a big muffler, whatever, resonator, whatever you want to call it. This is nice. This is nice. Single turbo, obviously, but yeah, that's what it is.